How to add contact to Apple Watch. So here in this guide, I'm going to walk you through how you can add contacts to your Apple Watch and then save the contact on your iCloud account and make the contact appear on your iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to add contact to Apple Watch, all you just need to do is go ahead and press the 2 crown on your Apple Watch. So go to the app menu. On the app menu, use the 2 crown to scroll down until you get to contact and then select it. Now, once you selected contact, we're going to see here is all your contacts on your Apple Watch in alphabetical order. Now, go ahead and click on the plus icon at the top left. Now, once you click on it, here you should see where to add the contact information. Then name, they're going to see the first name. So go ahead and type that, click on done. So if it has second name, you can also go ahead and type that. Then click on done. Now scroll down, you should see company, phone, as well as address. So go ahead and click on phone. Then once you selected phone, you have access to home phone number. And then go ahead and type in the home phone number you want to add on your Apple Watch and then click on OK. Then click on the check mark at the top right if you want to save. Then if you have maybe work phone number, tap phone number again, and then type in the phone number. Scroll down if you have maybe office or school, repeat the same thing. And I can also add email address and then add home address. After all that, go ahead and click on the check button at the top right. And now once you click on the check button, then the contact will be saved on your Apple Watch. So you can now go ahead, put a code through to the contact, or go to the phone app on your Apple Watch and then go to contact and find the contact you recently added on your Apple Watch. And if you don't want to go through the contact page to add contact to your Apple Watch, you can also go through the phone app. Just click on the phone app, then scroll down and click on contact, then click on the plus icon at the bottom right, then repeat the same thing, fill up the form, add name, last name, phone number, email address, and then click on the check mark at the top right, and then you're good to go. So that is basically how to add contacts to Apple Watch. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.